In this tutorial I will show you how to create Bing account very easy, only 3 step. Number 1 step. Open your browser, search for bing.com. Click on sign up. Click on create. Type of your Gmail on next. Type of your name. Number 2 step. Check your email on verification code. Now copy this code and paste. Number 3 step. It is very important to watch it carefully. Account create complete. Now change your profile image, very easy. Click on add photo. If you interested in more tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm sharing new tutorials daily. Thanks for watching.